Bismillah-ar-Rahman-ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Syed Imran Ali's AI voice assistant. I'm here to make computer science concepts easy, practical, and useful for your learning journey. Let's begin. Slide 05 Module 2 Human Resource HR Module. Welcome to Module 2 Human Resource Module in ERP. The HR module helps a company manage everything related to its employees, like hiring, tracking attendance, calculating salaries, and performance. Instead of using multiple software, ERP allows all these HR tasks in one place. This means no duplication, no paperwork, and fewer mistakes. Let's say your company uses SAP SuccessFactors. As an HR manager, you can track job applications, schedule interviews, send offer letters, handle joining formalities. All done from the same system. No emails, no Excel files, no confusion. Slide 06 Key features of the HR module. Here are the main functions of the HR module. Personal administration. It stores all employee records like name, job title, department, and ID. Recruitment management. You can post jobs, collect resumes, and even filter candidates using keywords. Payroll management. Salaries, bonuses, and deductions are calculated automatically based on attendance and job grade. Time management. Tracks clock-in and clock-out times, leave requests, and shift schedules. Performance management. You can record goals, track key performance indicators, KPIs, and conduct appraisals. Training and development. You can enroll employees in training courses, assign certifications, and track their progress. Slide 07 Scenario. Now let's imagine your company needs to hire 20 interns in 2 weeks. You are the HR manager, and you are using the ERP system. What do? You create a job posting inside the system. Then, you open an online portal for applications. The system filters resumes based on your criteria like degree or skills. Next, you schedule interviews using the ERP calendar. Once selected, offer letters are sent automatically. Finally, onboarding tasks like document uploads and welcome messages are tracked by the system. This saves time, avoids manual errors, and makes hiring smooth. In the next module, we'll exp.